Wow. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day, sir. Thank you. Oh my God.
Nyamar mẹ đeo.
That's too much. Thank you. Oh my God. That's too much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, no. I cannot give you that. Thank you. You eat all. I cannot give you all that.
Do it again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Why do you make this so special? I don't know. Is it that you just do this, or is it that you really want to do this? Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you. You take it back, please. I don't know. I did not expect all this, okay, because it was so normal morning and just another day at work without without I haven't read anything. I mean, kind of speech or something like that. But then, it's just a normal morning for me, getting up and coming to school. Did not expect anything. Although I saw some of you in the market yesterday, I thought you just went for the, your own needs. So I wasn't thinking about it. I did not think about that. So what happened this morning? It was overwhelmed. The symbols that you brought into this, it's not about the price of this. It's not about the price of this. It's not about the price of this. But it's about the symbol that it carries. Okay, love is what it carries. Okay, you know what? When you do something like this, although I do not want you to do this, I do not want to spend money. I do not want you to spend money. Okay, but you did, so I don't have anything to say about that. But what I can say is that I really, really appreciate for what you have done. I mean, this is the first time that somebody surprised like this, especially students. Even though I have been in a teaching field for so many years, but this is the first time on Teachers Day that somebody did this. I mean, as a surprise without that, no? So I don't know. I'm just happy that I know that that I'm loved. Okay, that you would not do anything as such without love, isn't it? Huh? So you do all these, you plan, is because you love somebody. Okay. So I'm really thankful and I don't know. I'm blessed. I'm blessed, and thank you so much for this. Thank you.